Good morning. Today is November 24th, 2012. This is Jason Scott with a look at your national and regional forecast. Starting in the Midwest, the vast majority of this region will be dry, but lots of clouds will hang around today, especially over northern plains and the Great Lakes. Lake effect snow showers will continue over the Great Lakes today, and snow amounts will be mostly light with 1 to 2 inch range, but there will be higher amounts possible up in the upper part of Michigan and northeastern Ohio. A weak disturbance produces light snow showers over eastern part of the Dakotas, northern Minnesota, and then into Wisconsin late today and tonight. Highs today will be in the 20s and 30s with some 40s closer to the Ohio Valley. Highs near 50 over western Missouri. In the northeast, it looks like the passage of a strong cold front will cause some lake effect snow showers that will fall over the favored snow belt areas today. Accumulations will be mostly 1 to 5 inch range with higher amounts over the persistent bands off the Lake Erie area. Windy over most of the area with wind gusts to 40 miles per hour over the northern sections and closer to 30 miles per hour over the southern sections, including New York City, Boston, and Philly. Colder air will spill into the region today, with highs mostly in the 30s and 40s. Over the deep south, say goodbye to the mild and warm weather over much of this region on today, Saturday, with mostly sunny and breezy conditions. Much colder weather will prevail over the deep south today. The exceptions will be some showers and clouds over the southern part of Texas, and that will persist most of the day. Highs will be in the 40s over Kentucky and Tennessee, and far north Georgia, 30s in the higher elevations of the Appalachians. Highs today elsewhere will be mostly in the 50s and 60s, and a few 70s over southern Florida. A hard freeze will be in effect for the deep south with 20s likely over much of the deep south on Sunday morning. And in the western part of the country, it looks like rain over much of Washington and Oregon. Snow levels are expected to fluctuate between 4,000 to 6,000 feet. Higher elevations of the Cascades will pick up several inches of snow today. Precipitation will also get into northern Idaho, western part of Montana this afternoon with elevation snowfall. Some of the central Rockies southward through the desert southwest will see plenty of sunshine. Highs today will be in the 30s and 40s over northern sections and 50s and 60s over the most of the rest of the region. 70s and 80s over southern part of California, southern Nevada, and Arizona. Lingering areas of fog over the coastal regions, inland areas of southern California throughout the day up until about midday today, and it should taper off. That's a look at your national and regional forecast right here on Extreme Storm Central, and this is Jason Scott.